Lumpia wrappers, usually associated with savory dishes, can transform into an unexpected dessert delight. Imagine turning those crispy sheets into sweet, delectable dessert bites. It's an exotic twist to end your meals on the perfect sweet note. Imagine the possibilities. Start with a creamy filling mix, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and a hint of vanilla extract. The smooth blend of these ingredients is the secret sauce, giving you a velvety, sweet foundation that wraps perfectly. Who doesn't love a little cream cheese magic? Common pain point here, lumpia wrappers sticking together. To prevent this, use parchment paper between the sheets. This little trick will save you from the hassle of prying them apart and in the process ruining the delicate wrappers. Time and sanity saver. Now take a wrapper and add a spoonful of your scrumptious cream cheese mix. Roll it up tightly, tucking in the sides as you go. Precision matters here, people. You want each roll secured just like the neatness of a well-wrapped burrito. Here's a pro tip. Brush a bit of beaten egg at the edges before fully sealing the rolls. This creates a glue-like effect, ensuring your rolls stay intact while frying. The last thing you want is like an explosion of filling in hot oil. Messy and wasteful. Heat oil in a pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Proper temperature is crucial for achieving a perfect golden brown crunch without soaking them in oil. A thermometer can be your best ally here. Accuracy equals perfect results. Seriously, just get one if you haven't already. Deep fry your rolls for around 3 to 5 minutes or until they achieve a golden brown hue. The aim is crispy perfection without burning. Trust me, burn marks are a no-go zone for dessert. It's all about that crisp texture and gentle color. And drain your glorious golden rolls on a wire rack, not on paper towels. Why? We want to avoid sogginess from trapped steam. Let them breathe and cool off evenly. Think of this stage as respecting the integrity of your craft. Craving a touch more sweetness, dust them with a bit of powdered sugar once they've cooled. The sugar adds a delightful visual and taste contrast. Sweet, inviting, and almost too pretty to eat. Almost, because really they're irresistible. Serve alongside chocolate sauce or fruit compote for dipping. You know, a little dipping action elevates the experience. You know, taking those lumpia desserts into you know, gourmet territory. People will be asking, where did you get this recipe? And you'll smile knowingly. One bite is a crunchy exterior, followed by a creamy, sweet surprise. This dessert, lumpia, easily hits a 9/10 on impressiveness. Little effort, big flavors. A dessert that's sure to make repeat appearances at your kitchen table. And if, why settle for ordinary, right? So next time you consider dessert options, think outside the box, or should I say wrapper. Lumpia dessert rolls aren't just a recipe. They're an experience right here, waiting to be devoured. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later.